Just doing a quick stock update for December on this cold morning. I've got a HarleyDavidson Ironhead Sportster, kickstart and electric. I think that's a 1200 Evo Sportster. Got a Shovelhead FLH. It's nice condition. It's had a conversion put on for a suicide shift, but that can be changed back to a foot control. Got another Ironhead Sportster. Not many electrics on this, so it's a project. It's got a kickstart. In fact, that's all it's got. It's just a kickstart. Triumph 250 off-roader. Little trial bike. Looks fun. This is a project parts bike. SL 350, I think it is. It's on eBay. Triumph T100, 500cc. It's a project bike. It's got Jap Forks, so I'm told. But that was done quite a lot. Got a lovely 1980 Shovelhead, Springer forks. It's just in the process of being registered on a UK plate, this one. Had this lovely Triumph Bonville in this week. It's been restored a couple of years ago. I'm just waiting for some paperwork on it and that'll go on eBay. Runs really well. Really good job of restoring that. Got the wooden hills. Got another Ironhead Sportster, a project. Oh, I forgot to turn the light on in here. Oh, this Ironhead is sold. That's a 1200 Sportster bobber. Got another Shovelhead FXR, I think. Oh, sorry about the darkness. That's a Panhead, a 1961. Nice running bike. That's a 1340 Evo. That's UK registered. That's something I did last month. And another Shovelhead here. Well, that's what we got. Got some more coming in by the end of the week. So stay tuned.